Hello everyone. In the previous class we have discussed what is meant by development and what is testing. We have taken many real time examples also. Now we will see what is meant by testing according to your textbook. See here, the definition of testing is it is the process or method of finding errors in a software application or program so that the application functions according to the end user's requirement is called as software testing. See here, testing means finding out the errors or defects in your program so that your project functions according to the end user's requirement. Here end user means customer. According to the customer, whether it is working or not, we are going to check it out. See here, we will take one example. In a hotel you have ordered for a cup of tea, but the server serves you a cup of coffee. Then what is your requirement? Your requirement is a tea, but he served you coffee. Means here you are going to find the error, that is defect. This is called as a testing. Understood? Testing means finding out the errors or defects in a program. Now we will see what is meant by error, bug and defect, and we will see the difference in between these three. See here, first we will see what is meant by error. An error is a mistake, or it may be a misconception, or it may be a misunderstanding on the part of a software developer. Here software developer means programmer or developer of a program. If an error found by a programmer, then that is called as a error. That is, if a mistake found by an programmer or a developer, then that is called as a error. Then next, what is meant by bug? Here bug is an error found in the development environment before the product is shipped to the customer. A bug is the result of a coding error. Here bug means before delivering any product to the customer, the development team is going to test the product. At that time, if any errors found, then that errors are called as the bugs. Then what is meant by defect? It is the difference between the expected and actual result in the context of testing. Defect is the deviation of the customer requirement. See here, defect is the differences in between expected and actual result. We will take the previous example only. In a hotel you are going to order a tea, but the server is going to deliver you a cup of coffee. Means your expected result is tea, but he is giving you the coffee. Means there is a defect. This deviation means this is the customer requirement. Tea is the customer requirement. You are getting the coffee, means there is a defect. Now we will see the difference in between defect, error, bug and failure. A mistake in coding is called error. Means the programmer's mistake is called as error. If that error is found by a tester is called as a defect. Then if that defect is accepted by the development team, then it is called the bug. Build does not meet the requirements, then it is the failure. We will take the same example. You have ordered for a cup of tea. Means here who is preparing a tea? That is cook is called as a developer here. If he is developing, that is if he is preparing the coffee, means if he understood that he is preparing a wrong one, you have ordered tea but he is preferring a coffee, means if he founds his own mistake, then it is an error. If he is not finding any error, directly is going to serve you, instead of tea he is going to serve you coffee. After serving you, you are finding the defect that I have ordered a tea but you have delivered me a coffee, means you have found the error, means it is called as a defect. When you found the error, that is it is accepted by the development team. That is, if it is accepted by the developer, then it is called as a bug. See here, he is going to deliver you coffee instead of tea. If you have drink like that only, means you are not going to find out any defect. If you have identified that there is a defect in your serving, that is I have ordered a tea but you have delivered a coffee, you are going to inform them this is a wrong product. What I was means you are giving them the defect. If they are accepted your defect, that is they have delivered a wrong product, means they have accepted their product, means that is bug. If the build does not means if the product does not meet the requirement, then it is a failure. They are going to serve you coffee instead of a tea, means their product is failed here. This is the difference between defect, error, bug and the failure. Understood what is meant by a error? Error is a mistake generated by the programmer. Then what is meant by a bug? Bug is also one type of error. It is found in the development team before delivering it to the customer. Then what is meant by a defect? Defect is the difference in between the expected and actual result in context of survey. Is the deviation of customer requirement. We'll see the differences in between development and testing. See here what is meant by development. Development is developing the programs, that is writing the code is called as the development. Development team is responsible for writing the code. Then what is the work of testing team? Testing means checking for the error. Whatever the developer is developing the product, within that finding out the errors is the work of the testing team. Understood? What is the work of testing? Here work of testing is only finding out the errors, not fixing them. Only finding the errors and reporting them that to development team. Development means developing the program or writing the code. Testing means finding out the errors in that code. Now we will see the differences in between development team and testing team by one video. I think all of you have seen the robot movie, right? We will see one small video of the robot movie. In the previous slide, all of you have watched video clip of robot movie, right? To watch it once again, click this link. What are the characters within that video clip? Chitti acts as a testing team, Aishwarya Rai a development team, and Rajnikant is a defect. Here, testing team means Chitti is finding out for human being. Here, human being is Rajnikant. He is a defect within those robots. Here Chitti is going to find out the defects within those robots and development team is watching about the defects. Here Chitti is finding the defect, that is Rajnikant, and if that defect is found, is reporting that defect to the development team. Understood? Thank you.